and choppers, shopping, copper, soccer for you possums. I'm that moon rockin' Chewbacca that you don't wanna get crushed with. Never do a CrossFit, bitch, out about it. Don't got any of this gin and done it. I ain't never sober, been addicted to chronic. Born with a blood number, not you. Best respect my authority, dawg. I know some crazy, yo, that's what way down in Florida. They white as fuck, but they got
Cammed 5.3. Oh, she warning. Oh, she warning again. Here we go. Got her a little bit started. It's not used to the back pressure, not having any. So we took the mufflers off. Here's how she's sounding. After a brand new battery replacement, after not driving for a month, here's how she sits. New battery right here from O'Reilly. Sounds pretty decent, not too loud. It's not open headers either. It's got some high flow cats and an X pipe. Hey, yeah, that feels fucking amazing. Now we're gonna take it up on a little drive, see how it drives without the muffler. If it turns off on us or anything, we'll know. Now that she's not the daily anymore, I can afford to cut the muffler off. I'm gonna give it a quick rev for my girl over here at the stop sign, since she wanted me to rev it. Pretty fucking darn good. Sounds like a fucking race truck. I mean, at the end of the day, that's pretty much what this truck is. I already got my daily. Oh yeah. Okay, it didn't turn off on us or anything, so we're good. It was the first startup on that battery, so I'm guessing that's why it turned off the first time. But here's how it sounds at the stop. Definitely on the louder side, of course. I didn't want it to be too quiet, but I also didn't want it to be just quiet, just loud either. Oh, okay, she still spins. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Alright, let's get it to spin right here. Never mind. Fucking cool. Oh, she's pretty fucking loud. She's rowdy. Oh man, I love this. Of course, since it's not the daily, then yeah, this is amazing. It's been a very long month since she has been out, and now that, you know, I don't drive it occasionally. Well, I drive it now, then and now, but I haven't drove it in like maybe a month and a half. I decided to cut the muffler off just for it to sound a little more aggressive when I'm out, when I take it to shows, meets, and when I'm trying to do some stupid shit. That's how I want the truck to sound like a pretty fucking sporty, badass truck. I got that one as a daily, and it's cammed also. So check that out on my page. But yeah, this motherfucker has come a long way. First truck ever I've gotten, and I'm super proud of it. Super proud of what I've done. Wheels look badass. Paint is still not there yet. We're I'm thinking of painting the hood later on, but for now, this is how she sits.